Hey everybody, how are my Glow Tarts doing today? I hope everybody's well. Alright guys, so Joe posted something on his Instagram story today telling about a new program that they will be launching. We don't have any information on the launch of it or how or what you're going to have to do to get to it, but he did give us a little bit of information. It is going to be a new program where you can add products into your box. They will be discounted products also, and again we will know more information in the next few days, but I am going to show you the clip of where he is telling you about it.
We have a new program that we're gonna launch. Not gonna tell you when yet, but it's gonna be called Boxy Pop-Up. It would allow you to add products into your box, heavily discounted, but tons of awesome brands. Products that get cut off. Instagram does that. So anyway, for me it's exciting. It's helping us build a membership value around BoxyCharm. It's not just a subscription box. It will launch soon. I will let you know either this channel or you'll see it on I might announce it on one of the Facebook forums or maybe in one of the pages, the informal pages like BoxyCharm, sneak peeks, Boxy previews, or some other ones. There's so many other ones. So just stay tuned. And in the next few days, you'll know when, where, and how, and all that stuff.
Alright guys, so you heard it from Joe himself, so I will keep you updated as soon as he releases the information about this new program. I will update you guys, so make sure your bell is always on. That way you don't miss any spoilers. You'll catch every video that I upload. Also guys, rate the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you didn't like it, give it a thumbs down. That shows me what I need to do to adjust the videos on my channel. It shows me what you guys like. Also, one more tiny favor before you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join my Glow Tart family. We would love to have you. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.